Hi, my name's Geraldine and I'm just about to start level 2 of my law degree with the Open University. Study skills are just things that are going to help you with your study session. Having a quiet environment, no distractions, turning your phone off, having a plan of action, writing a list of what you want to achieve from your study session and then ticking them off as you go along so that you know that you're on track. Writing down what you're learning in your own words to check that you really understand it, and always having a link back to the original source so that you can find it again. Keep your TMA question near you when you're studying. Highlight process words, and every time you come across something that's going to be relevant to your TMA, write it down together with a link back to the original source. And this means when you actually come to write your TMA, it's not as scary because you've already got lots of information sitting there waiting for you. But what happens when you really can't face studying? You're procrastinating. We've all done it. So you need to have a strategy to get over that feeling of procrastination. And one of the things that I do is I say to myself, okay, just go and study for 10 minutes. And what I find is once I get started, I actually enjoy it. And that's usually because the thought of studying is actually worse than studying itself. One of the other things that's really been useful is going to tutorials, either face-to-face or online. And that's because the brain connects a face to a piece of information and it makes our recall much easier. Also recognising when something's not working for us anymore and being willing to change the way that we're doing things. Because if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. So if something's no longer working for you, change it and don't be afraid to do that. You can do this, you've got this, well done.